Are you tired of big, huge, bulky HDMI cables that take up tons of room? They hang down from your TV or your devices. They get tangled easily and just are not aesthetically pleasing. I know I'm tired of these, which is why I was super happy to receive this. Look at this tiny little packaging here that this HDMI cable came in, that I was gifted by the brand Alvin's Cables. So thank you so much to Alvin's Cables. These things are divine. It is, first of all, it's a nicely roped coiled cable, so it will stretch out, but it's not like this. So if you're just trying to connect, like I am right now, I'm trying just to connect my Apple TV to my TV, the Apple, box to the TV. This is absolutely perfect. Or if you're hooking up monitors, extra things to in your desk area, you're not going to want some huge unsightly cable. This is great. And as you can see, the one end is straight up like so, and the other one is in an L shape, which is perfect for connecting to your TV. So you're not going to have to stretch and angle it. Comes with the little protector caps on it. And then you just plug into so I'm going to plug it in here to my Apple device. And I am just going to connect it to the TV in here. You can see, there you go. It has super easy. The coiled cable is behind the TV. Nice and perfectly done. So thank you again to Alvin's Cable. I will be buying more of these for different areas around the house where I need HDMI cables. I love the idea of a compact coiled cable versus one of these. So thank you so much.